Okay guys, you probably watched one of those videos on YouTube showing you how to make money with ChatGPT and Clickbank affiliate marketing. So I decided to test one of those methods to see can you really make money with that method. And results was, well, as I expected. And also in the end of this video, I'm going to give you a conclusion. And it is really important for you to watch this conclusion. Okay? So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing I did, I actually wanted to find the product that I wish to promote. So I went on Clickbank Marketplace, and here you can see there are lots of categories. So when you click, for example, on spirituality and new age, here you can see there is lots of products that you can actually promote. But there is actually a better way to find better products. Usually trending products are better and it is easier to sell them. But how do you find trending products? Well, you can simply go on a website called CB Snooper. And then here you can choose, for example, new products. Or, as I like to do it, I actually click here on rising products to see what products are currently trending on Clickbank. And here you can see there is lots of products who are actually trending. So, for example, let's just say this product here, a Quantum Millionaire. So what I need to do, I actually need to click on this, and here I can see more information. For example, gravity is 23. And here you can see on average, I can earn $37.80 per sale. And here you can see, even though their rank is going down, but their gravity is going up, which means these products are actually selling. So what I did next, I actually copied this keyword here, okay? Control C, and I went on Google, and then I simply pasted that and then searched for Quantum Millionaire review in this case. And here you can see on first position is LinkedIn, then medium.com. Here you can see there is lots of big websites who actually published this review about this product. So people are promoting this product. And actually one of these YouTube methods said that you can publish these articles on Reddit and rank it high on Google because Reddit has a huge authority on Google. So I decided to do exactly that because I actually like Reddit and I'm getting lots of free traffic from Reddit. So what I did, I simply copied this keyword here, Control C, and I went on ChatGPT. And I told ChatGPT to write me a review, as you can see here, write me a review about Quantum Millionaire and target these keywords, and I gave it a keywords. I actually did a keyword research, and I said this is important, and sprinkle these keywords naturally. That is really important. And I press enter, and ChatGPT did exactly that. It wrote me a review of this product and sprinkled keyword naturally. Okay, so next thing I did, I actually went on Reddit and I published the post. So what you need to do, you need to create a post. And then here you need to give it a title. So simply go back here on ChatGPT and simply copy this title here, Control C, go back here on Reddit and paste that title here, okay? Next thing, you need to open your article with a catchy image. So just click here on image and upload the image. I actually found this image on their affiliate tools page. This is the image. And now I need to add article. I need to add a review of this product. So again, just go back here on ChatGPT and I will simply copy all of these that ChatGPT already wrote for me, okay? So Control C, and I will go back here and I'm going to paste that here. And this is my review. And here I actually need to press enter and I need to add my call to action. And I can say something like this. For example, do you want to become a millionaire? Of course, you will come up with better call to action. So what I need to do, I simply need to highlight this, and then I need to click here on this chain, and I need to add my Clickbank affiliate link, press insert, and that's it. After that, all I have to do is just click here on post, and that's it. I will post this review on Reddit. And the result of this is, well, actually, I didn't make any sales. And I actually expected that. It happened exactly as I expected. I didn't make any money because this method is simplified. But actually, I didn't give up. I decided to make a new strategy, to create a new strategy. So what I did, I published this post and then simply I went back here on Reddit. So let me just discard post. And then I start searching for similar subreddits. So for example, money, because this is money manifestation. Then click here on communities. And then I start searching for small subreddits related to money in this case. So for example, let me just find one of these small, for example, money talks. When I open here, you can usually post whatever you want in these small subreddits because they usually don't have any rules. So I shared my post, my Reddit post, in a few of these smaller subreddits. And here you can see there is currently 2 people online on this subreddit. And I actually got a few clicks on my affiliate link, but I didn't make any sale. But now it doesn't matter, I continue with my strategy. So what I did, then I simply went and found some big subreddits in my niche. So for example, here you can see money. When I open this subreddit, here you can see that there is currently 277 people online on this subreddit. And I actually started contributing to this subreddit. Exactly like I said, I start contributing. I didn't share my post, I didn't promote my affiliate link or anything like that. I simply start contributing because I actually wanted to build up my Reddit karma and because I wanted to build up my Reddit profile authority. And then what I did, next thing I did, I actually start sharing that article, that post that I published on Reddit. I start sharing it on related Facebook groups. I also share it on Pinterest. I shared it on Twitter. I start commenting on related blogs and then leave comments and leave links in comments to my Reddit post. And in that way, I was creating backlinks, more and more backlinks, and I was giving more and more authority to my profile, Reddit profile, and also to my Reddit post. And the result is, well, actually, I made 1 sale. As you can see here, I made 1 sale, which means this method actually works, but not as they show you in these videos. They simplify this method, and that is why many people actually fail and they don't make money. This method works. So this is a conclusion. This method works, but only if you make a good plan, if you make a good strategy and you implement that strategy. Otherwise, this method won't work. But like I said, you can make money with ChatGPT and Clickbank affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.